Best penny stocks to buy on April 23rd, 2026, part 1. Number 1 recommendation is Cumberland Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol CPIX. It is up today 45% or $1.38, trading at $4.44. Since this morning, it already traded 43 million shares. Market cap for the company is $66 million. So this company is from pharmaceuticals sector. And this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock story. Just 2 months ago, it used to trade at $5. Then it collapsed all the way to like $2. And then it started to climb back, but it was basically stagnant at $3. It was not really going anywhere. So apparently they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is pulling record trading volume of 43 million shares. And obviously this huge jump of 44% kind of tells you that the news they released is probably about some successful trials for the medication they've been working on. Maybe they got some extra financing, or maybe, they're getting to the approval stage of their medication. So it's up to you to do your due diligence, but it looks like a pretty interesting opportunity. So take a look. Next one is Nuburu Incorporated, stock symbol BURU. It is up today 49% or 14 cents, trading at 41 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 245 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is also $65 million. And this company is from electronic components sector. So I actually reported on that stock either yesterday or a couple of days ago, but be careful. This stock is building a very bullish trend in the last, I would say, like 3 trading sessions. Apparently they released some kind of news before, and then suddenly, there was, I guess, another press release, but the trading volume just keeps rising. And right now, today, 248 million shares. I think it's a record trading volume for the last 6 months. So, but the main thing is that you could clearly see that the stock kind of hit rock bottom and is trying to climb back out of its gutter. So, but you're not too late. If you decide to pull the trigger at 41 cents a share and this thing goes back to its previous levels of $2 a share when it was trading just 6 months ago in October, you could make 5 times your money, or 500% return on your investment. So take a look. Especially, in electronic components sector, we see that there's like a lot of interesting developments are happening. Like, for example, by the way, if you take a look at Nokia, they also consider to be electronic components manufacturer, and they just hit like 16-year high. And the reason is that these guys are using AI to improve their products. And hardware products like electronic components, they're not that easy to fix or to develop or to improve, because this is the actual physical things you have to manufacture, you have to test and whatever. But with AI, they have basically almost like a shortcut to develop this new features of the products or fix the existing products. So be careful and pay attention to this sector, because it will produce some major winners in very near future. So next one is Future Fintech Group. It is up today 27% or 34 cents, trading at $1.55. Drink your thing. Today it already traded 1.2 million shares. Market cap for the company is $8 million. So this company is from finance, rental, and leasing sector. So what can I tell you? I mean, 6 months ago, it used to trade at $9 a share. But then it was just keep going down and collapsing, and basically it hit like $1 just recently. So nobody was trading that stock. I mean, the trading volume was very thin because people, were discouraged to put money into a stock that constantly loses money. But whatever the news they released today was accepted by the market like a savior, because suddenly, 1.2 million shares doesn't sound much, but for this company it's record trading volume for the last 6 months. And also, obviously, you could see that, it jumped today 27%. So apparently, like maybe new buyers are coming in and pushing the price up, but there's obviously a lot of interest to that stock at this point. So take a look. I mean, it could be an interesting opportunity, because if you pull the trigger at $1.54 and this thing goes to, let's say, $9, I mean, you could make like 6 times your money, or 600% profit on this investment. So take a look. Next one is Pineapple Financial, stock symbol PAPL. It is up today 28%, or we'll go through, or 16 cents, trading at 76 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 54 million shares. Market cap for the company is $20 million. So this company also from finance, rental, and leasing sector. It's kind of funny, like 2 stocks in a row from the same sector are producing top, daily gains. So, and by the way, this stock looks almost like the previous stock, which was Future Fintech Group. So this stock 6 months ago used to trade at $5 a share. Then it basically was collapsing and went to 50 cents. So, but I guess they start to release some kind of news today, and we saw a big spike in trading volume yesterday, and also today it's actually pulling a record trading volume for the last 6 months, 55 million shares. So apparently they released some kind of news. This news were accepted by the market with a lot of enthusiasm, and a lot of new buyers are jumping in and pushing the price, 30% up just in one day. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because again, if you decide to pull the trigger at 77 cents a share and this thing goes to $5 a share, then we will end up, with a very nice, like, let me see, it's like 8 times your investment, or 800%. So take a look. Next one is Xiaoai Corporation, stock symbol AIXI. It is up today 28%, or 24 cents, trading at $1.14 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 60 million shares. Market cap for the company is $14 million. And this company is from package software sector. So, well, what can I tell you? I mean, first of all, if you look at the stock symbol, it has AI inside, which kind of tells you that it does something to do with artificial intelligence. So, the other thing is that 6 months ago, this thing used to trade at $2 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like 20 cents. And then something major happened with the stock back on April 7th. It had like a major jump when it went from like 20 cents to $2 basically in a matter of 2 days. I mean, it went up 10 times, but it couldn't sustain itself at $2, and obviously it collapsed, but already to 80 cents. And right now it's trying another push of making another major gain. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, download my app go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks, and you would always know which stocks to buy. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.